So it's always good to rinse off all the junk on the boat. We're gonna go rinse out this boat. It's got the frozen buds on it from the maple trees all over it with the snowstorm. So we're gonna blow it off with the hot water hose. Try to get it from getting all scuzzy. So here's the damage. so it's always good to rinse off all the junk on the boat. But I have a spigot that's got hot on one side and cold on the other. It's really no different than a shower diverter, but it does help in the wintertime or when it's cold out to turn it on hot when you're washing a car or your truck or rinsing your boat down so you don't freeze to death. It's not super cold out here. It's about 47 degrees, but it's cold enough. All the buds have froze off the maple trees over the past couple days, and it's all over the boat. So anyway, rinsed her down, just getting her done. Appreciate you watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing and turn on your notification bell and share it with a friend. We'll see you guys next time. God bless.